This cluster represents one of the most economically diverse and strategically important areas of the country.
Ito po ang first na pumunta ang isang commissioner in this part of the country. Kompleto kasama ang management committee, all present po at nakakataba po ng puso na sila ay pumunta dito.
Pinili natin ang Caraga dahil nais kong mauna nating marating ang mga lugar na hindi laging napupuntahan. Layunin kong mabisita ang bawat region at makita at marinig mismo ang inyong mga karanasan at realidad. Because reform cannot be shaped only at the national office. It must reflect the realities of our regions. And that is why we are here.
We humbly pledge our unwavering support to the BIR's 2026 National Tax Campaign Kick-Off Program.
Today, we affirm our full support for this campaign. We pledge to continue strengthening our cooperation between local and national government so that tax collection becomes easier, clearer, and more people-centered.
Sa kabila ng mga hamon, patuloy tayong kumikilos, naglilingkod at nagkakaisa para sa mas malinaw, mas epesyente at mas makataong serbisyo.
As we move forward together, when integrity guides our profession and service defines our purpose, accounting becomes more than numbers. It becomes nation building in action.
Our taxpayers, whom we call our VIPs, very important partners in revenue generation from across Mindanao.
When tax compliance is strong, stability follows. When it is consistent, we level the playing field for everyone.
Habang tinutugunan natin ang mga hamon, malinaw din ang ating paninindigan pagdating sa compliance. Comply correctly, file on time, pay what is due. At kasabay nito, malinaw ang ating pangako, mahusay na serbisyo katumbas ng buwis mo. Marami pa tayong kailangang gawin, subalit kaya natin ito basta't sama-sama tayo at tulong-tulong tayo. Padayon sa pagserbisyo, padayon sa pagkolekta, padayon sa paglambo, Mindanao.